Hello students, today we are going to discuss the concept of software used in accounting. Myself, Professor S.R. Sakla from KTHM College, Nashik. First of all we must be known about the concept of computer. Before going to the software, we have to learn the meaning of computer. As we are all are very much familiar with the concept of computer. We are using computer nowadays. We are having a computer in our hand in the form of mobile, but instead, what is a computer, the proper meaning of computer is very much essential to understand. The word computer derives from the word compute, which means to calculate. Very first, in the early stage of computer, it was only used for calculation purpose. Later, there are so many improvements were done, and the storage capacity is one of the important invention in the case of computer that was held, and so that the computers are used for various types of data related operations. There are so many computer features that makes computer different from other electronic devices, like speed, accuracy, storage, reliability, versatility, and also the non-feeling, which means while doing a different intelligence things, computer cannot take its own decisions, and it only does what it is told to do and in what sequence. For this purpose, the instructions for the computer have to be necessary, and that instructions are stored in the memory of the computer in the form of programs. So computer is a beautiful machine, and it delivers the lots of output in the different forms, like we can get output in the form of audio, video, on the screen, on the printer, and there is a lot of improvements are done. There are so many stages from the early stage till now, the computers having a different forms. In the very first stage, computers are only used for the calculation purpose, and the size of the computer was also very big. Later, the size is getting reduced, and the capacity of computer getting increases, and nowadays all we see that the computers are in our hands, having a drastical capacity to calculate everything. We are having an internet connection, and that is why the use of this electronic machine is getting popular, and at every work we need a computer system. So if we consider this thing, then in case of accounting we are using the computers, and that is what we are calling a computerized accounting. Computerized accounting is nothing but processing the accounting system with the help of computers, with the help of computer programs, and generating various types of financial statements with the help of computer softwares. There is so many advantages that we gain with the help of computerized accounting system. Some of these advantages are mentioned here, like no annual rituals of book closures. In a manual system of accounting, every year fresh set of books of accounts have to be opened after closing the account books of the previous year. Computerized accounting avoids this annual ritual of year-end closing and new year opening of accounts. Unfortunately, this saves a lot of labor and stationery, office space, which otherwise is taken up by books of accounts of the current year and previous year. The second advantage, that is high efficiency of computerized accounting. The computer software classifies accounting data and posts them to the respective ledger accounts. It is perhaps the most important source of efficiency of operations. Once the voucher is entered, the rest of the work is automatic. All will done automatically. No manual effort of posting, balancing, preparing trial balance, preparing profit and loss account, or any other statements does not need to be prepared. This is what the beauty of computerized accounting. Then the third advantage, that is easy corrections of errors. Any error in voucher entry, ledger classification, etc. can be easily corrected. No need to rectify the error. The voucher itself available for corrections and modifications. If we feel that there was something wrong with the entry, then we can alter that voucher or delete the voucher, delete that particular entry. This could be available in computerized accounting. So it is a flexible thing. With the help of screens and with the help of voucher, we making an entries. This would avoid the human efforts. The last one, that is no delay in generating reports. Reports which are get with the help of computerized software, that are completely managed, and instant reports, income statements, balance sheet, etc. can be generated properly. Voucher entries completes the accounting works, and rest of the work is managed by the computer software. Reports can be customized. They are properly, they can generate with the help of lots of display related settings, and options are available to manipulate that report, and hence we are getting the reports in customized format, in the format that which in we require. The important types of accounting softwares are as follows, like spreadsheets, commercially available software, ERP, enterprise resource planning software, and custom accounting software. Friends, there are various types of accounting softwares are available nowadays. Out of that, we just consider these four types of accounting softwares. First one, that is spreadsheets. Spreadsheets are small, inexpensive systems that can be configured for the small business units, and electronic spreadsheets are typically used by little enterprises that have very low transaction volumes. The spreadsheets help with bookkeeping. Small businesses often use spreadsheet program like Microsoft Excel is the best example of spreadsheet. Google Sheets are there, OpenOffice softwares are there. They contains the spreadsheet for manipulating the calculations of the business. Small businesses which having a low volume of the data very low transactions are performed. Such type of businesses are using spreadsheets to store, to calculate, to generate the various types of accounting statements. The second one, that is commercially available software. These softwares are moderately configurable to the requirements of a business and contains maximum remedies for error detection to prevent the entry of incorrect information, which produces standard reports that can usually be configured to the needs of the business. Commercial accounting software, they are require the services of consultants to install and can require a lengthy installation processes. These are, we can say, ready-made packages, and these ready-made packages are available nowadays everywhere. Just like purchase that package on the shop or from the online stores, online websites, and install it in our computer. But the main thing, that we need a consultant to install and require a lengthy installation processes, because they are using for the error detection, especially for error detection and preventing the entry of incorrect information. So for producing the standard reports, commercially available softwares are using. The third one, that is enterprise resource planning software. It is also called as, in short, ERP. The ERP system is the most popular type of software among these types, because ERP integrates the information or data from all parts of the business into a single database. This approach eliminates the problems associated with having independent department. Specific software that does not share information. However, ERP software is also expensive and may require more than a year to install. So, enterprise resource planning softwares are specially designed softwares, and they can be used by the largest and most complex organizations. Common accounting software, custom accounting software. This is the another form of accounting software in which the software usually needed when an entity's requirements are so specific that they cannot be made by ERP or commercially available software. It means this software is custom developed for an organization. This software is more expensive because it requires more maintenance than other softwares. This often happens almost by accident. As the business grows, knowledgeable staff may be asked to write software to handle various accounting situations. The businesses may find it has created its own custom accounting software, and that is why custom accounting softwares are designed and prepared by a software developers. It is a specially designed software according to the needs of the organization. There is a basic difference between ERP and custom accounting software, because ERP is also having the same idea. They are creating according to the needs of the organization, like SAP is the example of ERP SAP software. They are specially developed, designed according to the organizational requirement. And custom accounting softwares are also need data for generating that software according to the requirement of the business. But the basic major difference between these two softwares is the ERP software is a complete package, and along with the accounting thing, the ERP also manages the inventory related operations, tracking of the inventory, ERP also using for the various types of financial planning. So it is a complete business solution, whereas custom accounting softwares are only used for the pure accounting purpose. It is basically deals with the data related for to the accounting. Accounting statements can be prepared with the help of custom accounting software. So this is the major difference between ERP and custom accounting software. Here are some limitations of manual accounting system are given. Manual accounting system where we do not use computer to record the transaction, to summarize the transaction, and that is why we have to face a lot of problems like duplication of work. In manual accounting system, it increases unnecessary duplication of work. It is a laborious task which results in wastage of time also, and also it is expensive due to payment of staff, due to stationary expenses incurred. As compared to computerized accounting, manual accounting is very much expensive. It also decreases speed of work and accuracy due to duplication of work. In manual accounting, detection and rectification of errors becomes very much difficult. To overcome all these drawbacks of manual accounting, computerized accounting system came into existence, and which is an economical and time saving device, and that is why the computerized accounting systems are more popular and more usable for the business organizations. So that's it for this video presentation, through which you can get idea about softwares used in accounting, the types of softwares, and the advantages of computerized accounting software. Thank you.